To use a promo code on Prizepicks, start by creating an account or logging into your existing account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the deposit or checkout page where you will find the option to enter a promo code. Next, enter the promo code in the designated field, making sure to type it in exactly as it appears, as promo codes are case sensitive. After entering the promo code, click the Apply button to activate the code and receive your discount or bonus. It is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions associated with the promo code, as some codes may have specific requirements or restrictions, such as a minimum deposit amount or a specific game to play. When using a promo code, it is also crucial to check the expiration date, as most promo codes have a limited time frame in which they can be used. Additionally, some promo codes may only be available to new users, while others may be exclusive to existing users. To get the most out of your promo code, make sure to use it in conjunction with other promotions or bonuses offered by Prizepicks. This can help you maximize your winnings and enhance your overall gaming experience. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts associated with using a promo code on Prizepicks, you can enjoy a more rewarding and exciting experience on the platform. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and use your promo code before it expires to get the best value.